Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Italki's language challenges, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Italki account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the language challenges section on your dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of ongoing and upcoming challenges. To create a new challenge, click on the Create Challenge button. Next, select the language you want to focus on from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of challenge that suits your learning goals. You can select from various options, such as speaking, writing, or listening challenges. Once you've chosen the challenge type, set a duration for your challenge. This could range from a few days to several weeks, depending on your schedule. Now, fill in the details for your challenge. Provide a title that clearly describes the challenge. In the description box, explain the objectives and any specific tasks required. Consider adding tips or resources that could help participants succeed. Next, determine the level of difficulty for your challenge. This will help ensure that participants match the challenge with their skill level. After that, specify the maximum number of participants allowed. You can choose to keep it small for a more intimate experience or open it up for more learners. Once you've filled out all necessary information, review your challenge details for accuracy. When you're satisfied, click on the Submit button to finalize your challenge. Now, promote your challenge within the Italki community. Share it on forums or social media to attract participants. As the challenge unfolds, engage with participants to provide encouragement and feedback. Monitor the progress and adjust any details if needed to enhance the experience. Once the challenge concludes, gather feedback from participants. Use this insight to improve future challenges and foster a vibrant learning community. Congratulations! You're now ready to configure Italki's language challenges effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.